Pickled vegetable.
Would you like to do it?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
So, I'm gonna make some shawarmushi and I'm gonna do a Q&A while making it. I asked everybody on the Discord for their questions, so if you're not on the Discord, join it. The link is in the description down below. First question, are you a dog person or a cat person? Would love to know. I, in fact, love all animals. Now, I mean, that doesn't mean that I have a dog. I have a cat, but I have a cat because when I worked in restaurants, it would be impossible to have a dog. The hours, the amount of time that I put into my work, I would just be neglecting that dog. Not that I neglect my cat, it's just the cat is a little more self-sufficient. She could take care of herself. She has a litter box. It's all good. What is your #1 go-to meal that really makes you happy? That is my grandma's dolmas. I love her dolmas, her stuffed grape leaves, and they always make me happy when she would make them for me. It was the most comforting thing, and I really miss them. She would make them super lemony, really acidic, just cook them in straight lemon juice. It was the best. But yeah, that's something I really miss, and that's something that would always make me happy. Do you enjoy making content, and do you see yourself doing this in the future? Yeah, I love what I do. This is something that I've been trying to do for 8 years. Probably 8 years, yeah. I mean, if you look back, my YouTube channel was started in, I think, 2014. I've been doing this for quite a while, and when I was working in restaurants, I was trying to find what is the way I'm going to make cooking content full time? Because back then it was just YouTube, right? Which do you prefer? Cooking for yourself or cooking for company? When I cook for myself, I typically don't go over the top. I'll usually do something simple. It could be a tuna sandwich or whatever. By the way, I'm putting dashi into these eggs. You could do stock, chicken stock, beef stock. I'm just doing dashi. That's usually the way to do it. Anyways, yeah, I prefer cooking for people because it's nice cooking for people. You know, just like cooking for people is so gratifying. I get to see people happy with something that I made. It's more intimate. What restaurants have you worked at? I've worked in all kinds of restaurants. I've been working in restaurants since I was 16 years old. And out of high school, I went to culinary school. And the more notable restaurants I worked for were Chef Tom Douglas's in Seattle. I worked at all 15 of them. And that basically means I would do any position that was needed to cover. It was a crazy job. But before that, I worked in different restaurants all over Texas, San Antonio, Austin, South Padre Island. And then of course, I've done the pop-up dinners all over the country with all the friends that you've seen on the channel. I have not worked in restaurants since 2020 when they laid everybody off because of Rona. I went full-time on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everything, and it sort of worked itself out. And I'm very grateful for it. I'm very grateful for all of you. You're the reason why I get to do this. What happens to all the extra food? I'll give it to Michael. You guys know Michael, he's my filmer. And he'll take it home to his girlfriend or whatever. Another thing is my neighbors next door. They love having extra food, so I'll give them extra food. And of course, I'll eat as well. Also, these are my favorite mushrooms. They're called maitakes. It's just an egg custard with, you could do different fillings in it. It looks like I might have overdone mine a little bit. I have to admit, I was just upstairs having a snack and I'm kind of tired and I took too long. Well, it's actually not that overdone. Still a little jiggly. Ooh. Good.